Hi, I'm Richard Morse. Let me tell you a little bit about what I do. I don't just flip houses, I completely redesign them the way that I would want them to be if I was going to live in them. I track down foreclosures, distressed properties, I buy them, then I imagine and envision what they could be. I do the redesign, I oversee all the renovations. When I'm done with that, I bring in furniture, stage it with my style, and at the end, I resell it to a new buyer. I have a formula called the Morse Code. You can apply it to virtually every aspect of your life, whether you're renovating a home, refurbishing an old dresser you find on the side of the road. You can even apply it to your love life. Step 1, picture the potential. Step 2, attention to detail. Step 3, add a bit of glamour. I know it's a bad economy and I know people are losing their houses, but for me, it's business. I buy up the foreclosures. That's what I do. For me, the bad economy is good. We're inside the house at 55 Perkins Street. I just completed a 4-month-long renovation, and this has been one of the funnest renos I've done in a long time. It let me flex my fabulous design skills. Here's what I did. The new kitchen, brand new kitchen, all new wood cabinets, did real granite countertops. The kitchen used to be in the front of the house, which I thought was weird, so that wouldn't do. Had to get rid of that. I turned it back into a living room. Nice little seating area here in the front. Put in one of my signature fabulous chandeliers. That'll stay with the sale for the new owner. Hello, Rich Morse.
Hey, Richard, it's Johnny over at Wanker Realtors.
Hey, how are you?
I'm okay. I heard back from Brett, the guy that's interested in Perkins Street.
Oh, yeah, our buyer. What do you have to say?
He liked the property a lot. He's interested in the property, but he was claiming that there was a quite pungent oil odor that seemed to permeate at least the bottom of the house, maybe even the whole house.
I'm not quite sure what's happening, but I'm suspecting that there's still some kind of residual oil or something in here. Here's what I think our problem is. Now, this is either water coming in from the downspouts. It's got a tinge to it from oil. I'm not sure where that's coming from, and I can definitely smell it. You can smell that smell in here, that oil smell. I don't want to risk losing this sale. If we got a hot buyer on the phone here, someone that wants to make an offer, I'm going to call Julio. I need you to come over here and check this out again. I got a possible buyer for this house, and I don't want to screw this up. Can you come back over here and check this out?
You gotta remove them.
Remove the floor?
You gotta remove the floor and the dirt.
The dirt underneath the floor?
Yes.
How long is that going to take?
4 days.
4 days.
4 days, and I needed 4 guys working together.
How much is this going to cost me?
Mucho dinero.
Oh, man. My husband Norman and I, you hear the phrase opposites attract, and I would say it's somewhat true with us. We have a lot of similar qualities, and we definitely have a lot of common interests. It's what keeps us together, but we are opposites in certain ways. I have a huge personality. I love to put it out there. I'm very outgoing. My husband is my rock. He is behind me 100%. He is always there for me. He allows me to soar. He allows me to be the person that I am, and I love him for it. As a parent, I definitely lucked out. I have two absolutely phenomenal kids. My time with my family, it's something I look forward to every chance I get. My job is stressful. This is a tough business, and it takes its toll. And there's nothing like spending some quality time with my husband and my kids. I look forward to it. So Julio called and said he's all done over here with the Perkins Street house, the basement. So let's go check it out. It's looking good. We got a brand new concrete floor. I'll tell you, even after 25 years, I still get hit with surprises like this. When you're flipping a house, you never know what you're going to get into. But I'll tell you something, you better have lots of cash and good contractors behind you. But I made it through this one, made some money, lived to see another day, and on to the next flip. We are out tonight celebrating the sale of the Perkins Street property. We closed today. We finally met the buyer's demands, took care of all the repairs. The buyer's got his mortgage commitment, and we closed today, so we are out celebrating.
Gotcha.